Okay guys, today we're going to be making the easiest sand sifter. We're going to the Shark Tooth, capital of the world, Venice Beach, Florida. At work I found this this cool looking metal stuff. I honestly have no idea what it is, but it's super thick, durable, and a million little holes in it. Perfect for sand to go through, a little bit of small shells, but shark teeth, hopefully will stick in it. I'm going to cut this down. I figure whatever the width of it is, that's fine. I'll probably do, I don't know, I say, let's do like 14 inches. I think that'll be big enough, put enough sand in there and sift it. Let's do 14 inches. We'll cut it with the Hercules nibbler. I have another video you can go watch about this guy. Seriously, you need one. You never use snips again. That cuts everything. So let's get to it. Like I said, we're gonna do 14 inches. So we'll do right here to here. Nice straight line between the two. All right, check this guy out. Ready? Hope I can see the line. Let's see here. Okay. You need one of these. So I got a piece of scrap board here. We're gonna make it into fours here, and then we'll rip it down. Literally just gonna make like a picture frame out of this guy to fit that. We got table saw set up. We should be able to rip 4 even strips all the way down here, and then we'll cut them off and make them the width of what we have here. So here we go. Alright, so it'll be perfect just like that. So this guy would be slid in just like so and be right on in there. Alright, so I put a 45 on there right there. I went a 1/2 inch overlap all the way around in each groove here. So we're just going to stick it over 1/2 inch over that line. That way it's going to go into this half here, and then same thing here. So we'll cut it right there. So it'll make it, we'll line it up. So this piece gets cut off. We're going to save this guy, and obviously that gets cut off too. So we're going to make 2 of these. Get our long length there. Okay, so we got all of our pieces measured out, marked up. We're going to go cut on the lines. Tape to hold us together. Okay, let's try to slide this guy down. See if the top gets on. Ooh, that's beautiful right there, I tell you. Alright, try to give some color and protect the wood a little bit here. This is just a dark walnut. I tend to use it on pretty much everything I do, just because I think it makes it look good. Sweet, look at that. So it's like the simplest thing, super quick and easy. A little bit more time when you're doing it for a video, but I probably could have had the whole thing done in, I mean, seriously, a whopping 10 minutes. 10-minute DIY sifter. So kind of show you the tip of a pen. You can see the size of the holes. So they're small holes that only hopefully teeth or a little bit of shells are gonna get stuck in. And guys, that's all the time I got today, but if you would like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully I get like 1,000 shark teeth. See ya.